Finding your center. Introducing the world of yoga. Yoga is a practice that has been around for thousands of years, originating in ancient India. It has evolved over time, but its core principles remain the same. Yoga. It's more than just poses. It's a holistic approach to health and well-being. It's a journey, a connection, a way to harmonize the mind, body, and spirit, a way to find your center. Yoga is about union. It's about bringing together the physical and the mental, the internal and the external. It brings together mind, body, and breath. Each movement is a dance, each breath a melody. It's an ancient practice with modern benefits. From reducing stress to improving flexibility, yoga offers something for everyone. Imagine feeling grounded, strong, at peace. Yoga helps you achieve that balance. That's the power of yoga. It transforms lives one breath at a time. It's for everyone. No matter your age, body, or background, yoga is inclusive and adaptable. Whether you're a beginner or experienced, there's a place for you on the mat. Each practice is a personal journey. Yoga is about listening to your body, moving with your breath. It's not about perfection. It's about progress. It's about being present in the moment. It's about showing up for yourself, on and off the mat, embracing the journey and finding joy in the practice. A body built by breath. Yoga's physical transformation. Through mindful movement and deep breathing, yoga sculpts the body in a unique way. Feel the strength building in your body. Yoga is movement with intention. Each pose is designed to engage different muscle groups, creating a balanced and strong physique. It's a powerful tool for physical health. Regular practice increases flexibility. Over time, you'll notice your range of motion expanding, making everyday tasks easier. You'll find your muscles lengthening, your joints becoming more mobile. This increased mobility can help prevent injuries and improve overall physical performance. Yoga builds strength from the inside out. Each pose is a chance to challenge yourself. It's not just about physical strength, but also mental resilience. To find your edge and breathe through it. Increased stamina is another benefit. As you hold poses longer and flow through sequences, your endurance grows. You'll notice your endurance improving. Everyday activities become easier. Running, walking, and even standing for long periods will feel less taxing. Yoga can also improve your posture. You'll stand taller, move with more grace. This newfound alignment can alleviate back pain and enhance your overall appearance. It's about aligning your spine, finding balance. It's about feeling good in your own skin. Embrace the transformation and let yoga guide you to a healthier, more vibrant you. Stillness in the storm. Yoga for mental clarity and peace. In our fast-paced world, finding moments of tranquility can be challenging. Yoga offers a sanctuary, a place where the mind can find peace amidst the chaos. Yoga is a sanctuary for the mind. It provides a space to breathe, to pause, and to reconnect with oneself. It's a chance to find stillness in the chaos of life. Through mindful movement and breath, yoga helps us navigate the storms within. The practice of yoga cultivates mindfulness. Each pose, each breath brings us closer to the present moment. You become more present, more aware. This heightened awareness allows us to observe our thoughts without getting entangled in them. Thoughts may come and go. Yoga teaches us to let them pass like clouds in the sky. Yoga teaches you to observe them without judgment. This non-judgmental awareness fosters a sense of inner peace. With each breath, you release tension. The simple act of breathing deeply can transform your state of mind. Stress melts away, leaving you feeling calmer and more centered. This calmness extends beyond the mat, influencing your daily life. Yoga helps regulate your nervous system. It balances the body and mind, promoting overall well-being. You'll feel more equipped to handle life's ups and downs. The resilience you build on the mat translates to resilience in life. Yoga is a journey of self-discovery. It's about exploring the depths of your being and uncovering your true self. It's about connecting with your inner self. This connection brings a profound sense of peace and fulfillment. As you move through the poses, you learn to trust yourself. Each movement builds confidence and self-assurance. You discover your inner strength and resilience. Yoga empowers you to face life's challenges with grace and poise. Section 4. Real People, Real Change. Stories of Yoga's Impact. Meet Sarah. She struggled with anxiety for years. Yoga helped her find calm and control. Yoga has been life-changing, Sarah shares. It's not just exercise, it's a way of life. John, a former athlete, used yoga to recover from an injury. Yoga helped me regain my strength and flexibility, he says. But more importantly, it taught me the power of patience and perseverance. These are just 2 examples of yoga's transformative power. Countless stories illustrate its positive impact. People from all walks of life are finding peace, strength, and healing through yoga. Section 5. Styles for every soul, exploring different yoga paths. There are many styles of yoga to explore, each with its own unique flavor and benefits. Vinyasa flow connects breath with movement. It's a dynamic and invigorating practice. Hatha yoga is a slower-paced practice. It focuses on holding poses and finding alignment. Restorative yoga is deeply relaxing. It uses props to support the body and promote healing. Kundalini yoga combines movement, breathwork, and chanting. It's a powerful practice for awakening energy and consciousness. Find a style that resonates with you. Explore different options and discover what feels best for your body and mind. Section 6. Your mat awaits. Embracing the yoga journey. Your yoga journey starts now. Roll out your mat and take the first step. It's as simple as that. Remember, yoga is not a destination. It's a journey of self-discovery and growth. Be patient with yourself. Listen to your body, honor your own pace. Every breath, every movement is a victory. Embrace the challenge and celebrate your progress. The benefits of yoga are waiting for you. Improved health, a calmer mind, a deeper connection with yourself. It's time to experience the transformative power of yoga. Section 7. Finding your flow, resources and first steps. There are many resources available to support your yoga journey. Online platforms offer a variety of classes for all levels. Local studios provide a sense of community and guidance from experienced teachers. Start with a beginner-friendly class. Look for instructors who prioritize safety and accessibility. Remember, yoga is for everyone. Don't be afraid to try different styles and find what works best for you. Your mat is calling. Take a deep breath and step into your power. The journey awaits.